hard to tell right now. There's this huge green stuff outside my window, but yeah, so I was in and out of sleep a little bit, and any romantic notions I had about staying on the sleeper car were kind of squished a little bit by this guy.
Și aia din familia Ceaușescu și din familia regelui miei face grad de rudenie și cu părințile, după tata.
Tata?
A făcut grad de rudenie și cu aia dinainte, cu regele Ferdinand, cu Hohenzollern, cu Carlo, dar nimeni n-a fost în stare să administreze, să păstreze toată averea. Toți s-a maritat, s-a însurat, s-a curcit cu alte rase și a pierdut averea peste tot, să omoară între ei și acum să omoară.
So yeah, he's in my car and he just keeps talking and talking, telling stories of some sort. He seems oblivious to the fact that none of the other people in the room actually speak whatever he's speaking, but he thinks it's really funny. And then he took off his shoes, which was really fabulous. Filled up the whole car with a wonderful smell of shoes that could only been, of socks that could only been shoes for maybe a month or so. Anyway, so that's it. We're stopping at someplace interesting, I don't know, Sandy and stuff, but I'll record a little bit later on the trip.